Welcome to Titan. Today I'm going to be showing you how your customer service portal can look when you combine the power of Titan Web with the flexibility of Salesforce. So let's take a look. What we have here is a website that was created with just clicks, absolutely no coding whatsoever in the Titan Web platform. And everything you see here can be integrated with Salesforce. So if we come down to the bottom here, we have a contact us form, which you can submit and create a new contact in Salesforce for your marketing and sales departments to follow up on. We have all of our different products, which can be coming straight from Salesforce with descriptions. And what I want to bring your attention to in this particular demonstration is the customer area that we've built. So right away, we get a login screen. And this login is for returning customers. But let's say we're a new customer and we want to sign up and register the warranty for the product we just bought. So let's go ahead and do that. My name is Ben. My last name is Titan. My country is the US. And my city is Philadelphia, PA. So, and my email is titan@formtitan.com. There it is. My purchase date was yesterday. I just bought my new item yesterday. So I want to bring your attention to something down here where you see it says enter barcode manually, or we can click here to scan barcode. So we have an incredible feature here where you can actually just click on this on your mobile device. And if you'll see if I click on this on my PC, it's just going to open up a place to drop a file in, but it can also trigger your webcam if that's something you'd like. Or if you do this on the phone, it will actually open up your camera, your phone's camera, and you could just scan in the barcode using Titan's barcode scanner, which is something that you have out of the box when you have the Titan platform installed and ready to go with your Salesforce. So for this particular example, I want to enter my barcode manually, and I'm going to do that. My barcode that I was given was SN11113. And now let's click submit. Let's see what happens. Okay, now that we're inside of our portal here, what we have is all the different devices that I've already purchased with my account here at Track Power. So this is a little table that's showing the different devices I've purchased. And what's really cool here that you could see is that for each product that we have the serial number, the purchase date, the warranty end date, but we also have the ability here to go ahead and say, hey, let's see what has happened in the past with my particular uh, item. So here's all the different cases that I've had in the past, and I can see what's the status. Have they been resolved? Right now, they're all just listed as new cases. And I can also go ahead and I can say, hey, I want to create a new case for my vacuum cleaner that's 2,000 watts. So let's say it's a problem with the filter attachment. And I'm just going to write my description in here. I have a problem, etc. And let's submit that. That's going to send a case, create a new case in Salesforce. And what that's going to do for us is allow us to now notify the people who are in charge of this and let them see exactly what's going on with my item. And again, if I come back here now, it's going to be there. There it is. Problem with the new filter. Problem with the filter attachment. That's the case I just put in there. I can click view more. Here it's going to bring me all of the different information about that when I put it in and everything like that. So this is just one example of something you could build with Titan Web to create a really, really seamless experience for your customers to register warranties, to create cases, and really just to improve their overall experience. Thanks a lot.